Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the healing benefits of Surya Namaskara for all age groups, starting from 8 to 10 years to 80 years, with all the steps and demonstration included. Surya Namaskaras. It is a set of 12 exercises to salute the Surya, sun, a source of all forms of life in our planet. A human body is nature's wonderful creation, and it is important to maintain the marvelous body by healthy diet, exercise, and sound sleep and relaxation. Surya Namaskaras. It is a yoga-based exercise that helps to connect the body, mind, and intellect. Anyone can practice. There is no caste, religion, gender, or nationality associated with these postures. A special and unique exercise regime that gives Vyayama from 8 to 10 years of age to 80 years of age group. Ideally, Surya Namaskaras are practiced at sunrise or sunset in an open space with fresh air for best benefit. Looking at the physical and psychological benefits for children and adults, Surya Namaskaras helps for the smooth functioning of our senses, respiratory function, digestion, circulation, muscular as well as nervous system, and also balancing the hormonal system. It helps in improving blood circulation by systematic and vigorous movements of limbs and organs during this exercise. Body shape is strengthened with improved function of head, nose, throat, heart, lungs, and abdomen. Improves endurance and power of resistance to disease by vigorous blood circulation in the body. For children as well as for teenagers, it has a special benefit of healthy physical growth, calm mind with positive energy flow, improved attention and concentration, and improved alertness, improved memory, emotional and impulse control or control of restlessness. It calms the body, relaxes the mind by improved blood circulation to the head and brain. It decreases sleep problems, depression, anxiety, helps in handling stress effectively. Better control on emotional reactivity. It calms the nerves and increases mental balance. Body becomes flexible with a feeling of well-being. Looking at the basic rules to follow to maximize the benefits of Surya Namaskaras. Empty stomach preferred or 4 hours after a meal. Can practice individually or as a group for collective consciousness. Use a clean yoga mat or a carpet. Loose and comfortable clothing. It is ideal not to practice during the pregnancy, especially after the 3rd month of conception. In medical conditions like hernia, spinal problems, and high blood pressure, Surya Namaskaras need to be done under supervision. Coming to the procedure per se, there are 12 steps in the whole completion of the Surya Namaskara. The first position is the Sthiti. Here, as the model in the picture shows, stand erect, joining the toes, heels and knees and thighs together. Join palms in Namaskara Mudra, placing on chest with thumbs touching the middle of the chest. Observe the breathing with full inhalation and slow exhalation with gentle closure of eyes. Step 1. Ekam. Raise both hands stretched over the head, upper arms touching the ears and bending waist back and feeling the stretch from front of the body, that is from the navel to the throat, and contraction in back and spine. Do not bend the knees or elbows. Breathing is inhalation for adults. You can alternate this with a count of 1 to 10 in children. Step 2. Dvi. Stand straight spine, bend forwards, bending the head towards the ground with palms touching the ground. Do not bend the knees or elbows. Try to bend as far as your hands can reach without bending the knees, and breathing is exhalation. Step 3. Trini. Palms on side in line with the feet. Palms and the feet are in the same line. Left knee folded, thigh touching the left side of the chest. Stretch back the right leg. Rest the toes and knee on the ground. Lower the spine and arch up chest, thoracic region. Look up with gaze 45 degrees angle to the ground. Breathing inhalation. Step 4. Katwari. Balancing body on palms and toes in straight slanted position. Fix the gaze at a point 2 feet forward from the palms. Breathing exhalation. Step 5. Pancha. Rest the knees on ground while pulling the stomach and abdomen. Sit back, resting the buttocks and heels. Rest forehead on the ground. Breathing inhale while resting knees, exhale while pulling in stomach and sitting back on heels. While in this position, maintain the breathing. Step 6. Sata. Lying in prone position, supporting palms on side of the body, resting the forehead if possible and knees on ground. Abdomen or stomach above the ground and raising hips upwards. Breathing, exhale fully and hold the breath. Step 7. Sapta. Raise head towards sky or ceiling by arching the spine. Raise the whole body from ground. Body rested on palms and toes. Do not rest knees on ground and straighten toes on the floor. Breathing inhalation. Step 8. Asta. Keep position of palms and feet intact by raising waist high up. Direct top of head towards ground by pushing chin closer to throat. Push heels on ground and soles pressed on the ground. Breathing pattern and exhalation. Step 9. Nava. Rest knees on ground by pulling stomach and abdomen. Sit back, resting buttocks and heels. Rest forehead on the ground. Breathing, inhale while resting knees, exhale while pulling in stomach and sitting back on heels. While in this position, maintain the breathing. Step 10. Dasa. Palms on side in line with the feet. Right knee folded, thighs touching left side chest. Stretch back left leg and rest toes and knees on the ground. Lower spine and arch up chest, thoracic region. Look up with gaze 45 degree angle to ground. Breathing inhalation. Step 11. Ekadasha. Stand straight spine, bending forward. Bending head towards ground with palms touching ground. Do not bend knees or elbow. Breathing is exhalation. Step 12. Back to the beginning body posture Sthiti with Namaskara Mudra in standing erect position. There are spiritual benefits associated with the Surya Namaskara. I am not an expert or nor I have any knowledge about the spiritual benefits. So, and hence I am not mentioning any of those in this video. This is purely meant for the benefits in terms of the physical as well as psychological well-being. Hope this short video will help all the age groups who are starting to think about planning or starting to start Surya Namaskaras. This is just a beginner's video, and a short video follows after this where you can see the actual procedure done by a child model. Thank you all.
Om Surya Namaha.